express your emotions to alleviate a heartache after a breakup? Past research has demonstrated how important expressing emotions are in dealing with a stressful life event. However, do we know expressing which emotions specifically can help us feel better after a romantic breakup? To answer this question, researchers at the University of Arizona examined facial expressions of 135 college-aged young adults who had just gone through a breakup to see which of their expressed emotions were related to better adjustment after their separation. The 7 expressed emotions examined in this study were anger, contempt, disgust, fear, surprise, sadness, and joy. The researchers coded participants' facial expressions for each of the specific emotions while they were talking about their breakup on their 4 visits to the research lab across 9 weeks. They then explored how each of the expressed emotions were related to adjustment after breakup. Based on the findings of this study, out of the 7 expressed emotions, contempt was the only emotion that showed unique association with distress over time. In other words, people who expressed more contempt at the beginning of their separation showed less distress. As time went by, however, holding on to contempt had the opposite effect, indicating that if people didn't let go of expressing contempt over time, they would not be adjusting well. But hold on, why might contempt be related to emotional adjustment after separation and not other emotions like sadness or anger? The researchers explained that the experience of contempt often involves rejection, disapproval, and hostility directed at another person, positioning others as inferior to themselves. Individuals often express contempt when they want to feel stronger, more intelligent, and more civilized, or in some way better than the other person. Because contempt is expressed as a form of rejection of the other person, it can play a powerful role in socially excluding a target person and therefore serving as a social distancing emotion. This suggests that people expressing more contempt relatively early after their separation may be doing so to feel superior to their ex-partner, either consciously or non-consciously, while at the same time distancing themselves from that person. Yet, with the passage of time, people must be able to lessen their strong emotions of hostility and disapproval so that they can move on with their lives. So the next time one of your relationships come to an end, express your contempt, but not for too long. This is Dr. Saida Heshmati, making science accessible.